We're going to divide using fraction notation. We're going to find the quotient 12 divided by 2/3. Now remember, when we divide with fraction notation, we multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor. So I'm going to rewrite this quotient as 12 times the reciprocal of 2/3, which is 3/2. Now to do the multiplication, I multiply 12 times 3. And in the denominator I have 2. I could think of 12 as 12 over 1, so I'd have 12 times 3 over 1 times 2. Now we need to look and see if we can simplify the result, and I see that there's a factor of 2 in the denominator, and 12 has a factor of 2. So we should be able to simplify, and I'll write 12 as 2 times 6. So we have 2 times 6 times 3 over 2 times 1. I can now rewrite this fraction as a product, 2 over 2 times 6 times 3 over 1. 2 over 2 is equal to 1, so I have 1 times 6 times 3 over 1, which is 6 times 3 over 1. 6 times 3 is 18, which gives us 18 over 1, and since the denominator is 1, I can just write the quotient as 18.